Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you some strategies you could consider to try and make $100 per day with cryptocurrencies. But before we dive into the strategies, I want to be clear, the cryptocurrency market is highly volatile and can involve significant risks. What worked for some people may not work for others. Therefore, it's essential to research and fully understand any investment you make. Cryptocurrencies can be an exciting opportunity to make money, but we must approach them with caution and responsibility. In this video, I'll provide you with information and examples of some common strategies used by enthusiasts and traders to try and profit in this volatile market. Before we continue, I want to thank you for being here and invite you to stay until the end to gain a comprehensive understanding of these strategies. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to get updates on our upcoming videos on finance and technology. And of course, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Alright, without further ado, let's explore how you could make $100 per day with cryptocurrencies. Remember, this video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always seek professional advice before making any investment. Let's get started. Day trading. Explanation of what day trading is and how it works. In day trading, traders buy and sell cryptocurrencies within the same day, aiming to profit from short-term price movements. It involves closely monitoring the market and making rapid decisions to capitalize on small price fluctuations. B. Tips for choosing a reliable and secure trading platform. When engaging in day trading, it's crucial to select a reputable and secure trading platform. Look for platforms with a user-friendly interface, reliable customer support, and robust security measures to safeguard your funds. C. Technical and fundamental analysis, how to interpret charts and news to make informed decisions. Day traders use both technical and fundamental analysis to identify potential trading opportunities. Technical analysis involves analyzing price charts and using indicators to predict future price movements. Fundamental analysis, on the other hand, examines the underlying factors that could influence a cryptocurrency's value, such as news, partnerships, and market trends. D. Practical demonstration of a cryptocurrency buying and selling trade. I'll now provide a hands-on demonstration of a day trading strategy. We'll analyze the charts, identify potential entry and exit points, and execute a trade in real time. Keep in mind that day trading involves risks, and this demonstration is for educational purposes only. Remember to perform extensive research and practice with small amounts before engaging in day trading with significant funds. The cryptocurrency market can be highly volatile, and it's essential to stay informed and exercise caution when making trading decisions. Section 2. Strategies to make money with cryptocurrencies. Duration, 4 minutes. A. Day trading. Day trading involves buying and selling cryptocurrencies within the same day to profit from short-term price fluctuations. Traders aim to leverage these rapid price movements for gains. To succeed in day trading, traders need strong analytical skills and the ability to make quick decisions. B. Swing trading. Swing trading entails holding onto cryptocurrencies for several days or weeks to take advantage of more significant price movements. Traders identify trends and capitalize on price swings within a specific range. It is crucial to set clear profit targets and stop-loss levels to manage risks effectively. C. Long-term investments. Hold is a long-term investment strategy where investors hold onto cryptocurrencies for an extended period with the hope that their value will increase over time. It requires patience and a strong belief in the potential of the chosen cryptocurrency. However, it's essential to conduct thorough research before committing to a long-term investment. Remember that each strategy has its risks and rewards, and success depends on various factors, including market conditions and personal risk tolerance. Before implementing any strategy, always conduct due diligence, educate yourself about the cryptocurrency market, and consider seeking professional financial advice. Let's explore these strategies further in the following sections. Section 3: Important considerations. A. Risks and volatility. It is crucial to be aware of the highly volatile nature of the cryptocurrency market and the associated investment risks. Prices can experience significant fluctuations within short periods, leading to both substantial gains and losses. As such, I advise viewers to invest only what they are willing to lose. Diversification and setting stop-loss levels can help manage risk in this unpredictable market. B. Research and education. Before investing in cryptocurrencies, it is essential to conduct thorough research and gain a comprehensive understanding of the market. Familiarize yourself with different cryptocurrencies, their use cases, and the technology behind them. Additionally, consider the team behind the project, partnerships, and community support. Reliable resources, such as reputable cryptocurrency websites, white papers, and educational platforms, can provide valuable insights to make informed investment decisions. Remember that the cryptocurrency market operates 24/7, and information can change rapidly. Stay up to date with the latest news and market trends to adapt your investment strategies accordingly. Section 4: Conclusions and Final Warnings. In conclusion, we have explored various strategies to potentially earn $100 per day with cryptocurrencies. Day trading, swing trading, and long-term investments, HODL, are all viable approaches, each with its unique benefits and risks.